What if I told you that one of the most underrated tools for building muscle isn't a barbell, isn't a machine, and doesn't even need a gym? It's probably sitting in a corner collecting dust, a resistance band. But here's the problem. Most people use bands like they're just a warm-up tool. They stretch them, they swing through reps, they chase the burn, and then they wonder why their muscles aren't growing. Because building muscle with resistance bands isn't about just pulling harder, it's about understanding tension. Today, I'm going to show you how to use resistance bands the right way for bodybuilding, from beginner mistakes to proper form to advanced techniques that make a simple band feel like serious weight. The biggest mistake people make with resistance bands is treating them like dumbbells. But bands work differently. A dumbbell gives you the most challenge when gravity is pulling against you. A band does something different. The farther you stretch it, the more it fights back. Think of it like a rubber spring. At the beginning, it's easy, but as you push through the movement, the resistance increases. That means your body has to control the entire range. They rush the hardest part. They let the band snap them back. They lose control. And when control disappears, muscle tension disappears with it. Before you even think about reps, your setup matters. Your body is like a skyscraper. If the foundation is unstable, the entire building suffers. Feet planted firmly, chest up, shoulders pulled back, core tight. That natural brace, that's the tension you want. Because a weak core means your body starts cheating. Your lower back moves, your shoulders roll forward. Let's talk about the mistakes. Mistake number 1, using momentum. A lot of people pull the band fast, letting the resistance throw their body around. The fix? Slow the movement down. Control the stretch. Control the squeeze. The muscle isn't just working when you pull, it's working when you resist. The goal isn't maximum stretch. The goal is maximum tension on the muscle you're training. For chest exercises like band presses, don't let your shoulders roll forward. Keep your shoulder blades controlled. For back exercises like band rows, don't just pull with your hands. Drive your elbows backward. For curls, keep your elbows fixed. Don't let them travel forward. The secret isn't always adding more resistance, it's increasing difficulty through technique. Pause at the hardest point. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds. Feel the muscle fighting to maintain tension. Muscle growth doesn't come from how heavy something looks. It comes from how much tension your muscles experience. Don't swing the band. Control every rep. Keep tension on the muscle. Resistance bands aren't just a backup option. Used correctly, they can become a serious muscle-building weapon.